Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a super useful topic: how to see which apps are running in the background on your iPhone. This can help improve your device's performance and battery life. So let's jump right in. Before we dive in, let's talk about why you might want to check background apps. Apps running in the background can slow down your iPhone and drain your battery. Keeping track of them helps you optimize the device. Alright, let's see how to check background apps. Grab your iPhone and follow along. To see which apps are currently open, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Here you can view running apps. You can scroll through them to check which ones are running. Now, if you want to close any apps that are running in the background, here's how. Simply swipe up on the app you want to close. This will remove it from the app switcher and stop it from running in the background. Like this. Now let's check which apps are allowed to refresh in the background. Go to your settings app, scroll down and tap on general. Next tap on background app refresh. Here you can see which apps have permission to refresh content while running in the background. You can toggle it off for specific apps if you want to save battery or data. And that's it. Now you know how to see and manage background apps on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.